Hey guys, Standell, President Florida SunCoast BMW. Hope you're doing well. Hey, it's somewhere down here in South Florida on my way back into the state, finishing up the footwork for our mountain drive coming up in October. Hey, just a couple things on the agenda. Pretty excited about this. The 16th we have the OCC in St. Pete, Clearwater. Hope you can go check that out. The 20th, Cars and Coffee in Fort Myers. Come see us there. The 27th is a huge day this month for us all over the state. So let me start in the north, up in the Jacksonville area. We have a Drive and Dine down to Flagler Beach. We're going to Martin's Restaurant. It's a restaurant that's been in business for now going on 4 decades. Those guys are going to meet around 11 o'clock. You'll see the details down below in the RSVP. Get involved with that. Take the drive down. All the folks from the Ocala, all the upstate area are invited to come over. Gainesville, Ocala, come on over and join the folks from Jacksonville going to Martin's on the 27th. Also on the 27th, we have another famous Kevin Tipton's drive up on the north side, up in the Wesley Chapel area. So check out Kevin's drive. The RSVP is down below as well. And on the 27th, Saturday the 27th, we have the Caffeine and Gasoline at the BMW of Sarasota. This is a special day. We're doing the Caffeine and Gasoline early that morning, and then just before 10 o'clock we're breaking up and we're going over to Ceramic Pro. Ceramic Pro is hosting the FSC BMW Chapter. We're doing tours, giveaways, gifts, and they're doing lunch for us. So you got to do the RSVP to be involved in that. We'd love to have you out. Ceramic Pro is rolling out the carpet for us. You got to see the facility. Russ Garvey and I were there just a week or so ago, took the tour ourselves, and just an amazing operation. You got to go see Santiago's group there. They just got an amazing setup. So I encourage you to sign up for the RSVP for the 27th. I know there's a bunch of decisions on the 27th to make. Pick one, jump in, have a great time. But I'll tell you, we've got it laid out for you. A lot of things coming as we continue to mature our events list. And then all the way into September and October and November and December, we're just jamming it in there. So shame on you if you're sitting on a sofa just watching. You're missing the fun. Come see us when you're out. Happy motoring, y'all. Good to see you. Thanks.